Hello friends, in this video we will discuss few things about files and packages in Java. Java source files rules are essential when declaring classes, import statement and package statements in a source file. Now when you write a class in a Java program, there are few rules, like if it is an ordinary class, then it is not mandatory that name of the class and the file in which class is written should be same. But if it is a public class, if you are writing a public class, then name of the class and the name of the file in which class is written should be same. Now a file can have at the max only one public class and n number of non-public classes. So same thing is described in this slide. Now if a class is written inside the package statement, then the package statement should be the first statement of the file, and after that import statements will be there before you start the implementation of the code. Now here into the next part of the slide, they have mentioned that classes have several access levels and there are different types of classes, like abstract classes are there, final classes are there, etc. These classes are explained in separate chapters. Apart from that, there are few classes like singleton classes are there, inner classes are there. Now what is a package? Java package is basically to sort the existing classes according to their definition. That means suppose I have classes like I have triangle class, I have rectangle class, I have circle class, and suppose I have employee class. Then among these classes, triangle, rectangle, circle, these are of shape type, so they are of similar type, so I will put them together under one package. So it is used for the categorization of the classes. And employee class or wage employee class, these types of classes I will put inside some other package. Now if I want to import a class from a package, import statement is used. So syntax of import statement is shown here. If I write import java.io.star, so this will import all the classes in package java.io. So this all was regarding files and packages in Java.